The Miami-Dade Country website is a comprehensive resource for residents and visitors. It offers a wide range of services like property research, job applications, water information, tax payments, and bulky waste pickup. You can also manage your water and sewer accounts, renew motor vehicle registrations, and search for inmates in custody. The site keeps you updated with the latest news, public records, and open data for transparency. It's also a portal to learn about elected officials, including the mayor and board of county commissioners. Now let's check the website here. If you want to log in Miamidade.gov website, open up your browser and type Miamidade.gov. You will see the first results here. When we click it, we will see the Miami-Dade website homepage here. Now you are seeing lots of services here like report problems, public records, latest news, watch videos, and elected officials. If you want to log in to Miami-Dade country website, you will see the login button here. Just click it. Now we are seeing email and password section here. Just type your email and type your password here, then click sign in. If you want to reset your password or forget your password, just click forget your password section here. If you are Miami-Dade country employee login, just click the second section here.